as the year end comes, we get a lot of festivals to celebrate. Just now we finished the 9 days of Navratri festival. Then now Diwali is going to come, then Christmas, then the New Year party. So what happens is, whatever health resolutions or whatever goals and resolutions you have made, especially in terms of health and the weight, so all those resolutions, somehow towards the end of the year, it gets kind of dwindled, and we get distracted, right? So I thought, before Diwali comes, now Diwali is going to come soon, I thought I'll make this quick video so that we get a reminder that whatever we have done throughout the year, let's not get distracted towards the end of the year, and then again we make the same resolution every year. So welcome, I'm Dr. Poonam Maurya, founder at Innermbbs. Yes, your inner hidden doctor, mind, body, breath and soul. Welcome. So now Diwali is going to come. Obviously, yeah, everybody loves Diwali, and it's in India, somehow the celebration of festivals means lot of snacks, lot of food, okay, sweets, lot of sweets, savories, and meeting people, greeting people, buying sweets for everyone, giving sweets, eating sweets, sweets party, and basically the festival revolves around food, and food is so important, in India, and also for all the festivals in India. So hey, I'm not going to tell you don't have and don't relish your sweets. No, this is not the video. So please enjoy your sweets and savories and your parties. Do not, in Hindi we say, man mar ke nahi jina. So don't cut down your choices and your likes. Okay, you please enjoy your festival, but become intelligent in this festival. I want you to remember that does enjoying the festival means only hogging those sweets and having the sweet party and savories? Happiness can be a form wherein you can find the joy in various other activities. How about gifting more rather than eating more? Okay, you see, this time when you start giving more to others, you will feel the joy even more. So this time choose an activity which will not allow you to eat more, consume more, but in fact you will be the one who would be actually distributing to the needy. See, there are many people who are not able to enjoy because everybody cannot enjoy so much, so there are limitations. So why not we create the joy in their lives? Why don't we start distributing those sweets and savories for them too? So remember that category of people and start giving them, rather than you hogging on, which we don't need to eat so much. Start giving more. Please enjoy your share of sweets also, but make sure that you give more this Diwali season. And now let me tell you some quick tips. I want to really share some quick tips. Now be mindful of what you're eating. See, most of the time just 1 or 2 pieces is enough, but what we do is whole bowl and keep on hogging, keep on eating. So that also sometimes happens, and then we go in the guilt that, oh, why did I eat so much? I should not have eaten. Now I have to again start gymming so much, start my weight loss plan, and then so it's difficult to get rid of that excess weight and excess calories. So why not have a entry level cut point? Why not we start limiting? So be mindful of what you are eating, how much you are eating, and suppose if you are having lots of sweets and savories in between, do not have your normal quantity of food, lunch, dinner along with that. Limit that or skip that. So do not have everything. Otherwise, see, we are very bound to time. Okay, this is the time for lunch, this is the time for dinner, this is the time for breakfast, and go and have. And in between, we will have those sweets and savories. So do not do that mistake. Enjoy your festivities, enjoy your festival food, but then limit somewhere. So you make the maths, okay? If you're having more of sweets and savories, then you make sure that your food on those days is less. And be mindful of the quantity that you put in your mouth. Okay, and this time find joy not only in the food but various other activities, as I mentioned already, giving joy to others, giving food to others, distributing to others. You can also do some activities like your decoration, cleaning of the house, and decorating lights, rangolis, meeting people, greeting people, and there are so many activities which can give you joy coming together. So food is not the only source of happiness, but somehow in Indian culture we are bound to food so much that food gives us the happiness, right? Food gives us instant dopamine that makes us happiness. But my dear friends, there are many ways to boost this dopamine, you know, movement, activity, dance, music, meeting people, greeting people, hugging people, wishing people, donating, gifting, getting joy to others. You know, bringing joy to others gives you maximum joy. Like, that's the joy of giving, that's the joy, that's the true joy of life. So this Diwali, rather than consuming more, let's pledge to give more and relish the true joy of life. Happy Diwali to everyone in advance. Thanks a lot.